Today I'll be showing you a quick and simple way to make cereal. Yeah, that's it. Now, the first step is acquiring your starting material. For today's demonstration, we visited Walgreens so I can get my prescription as well. I'll be using Cheerios in this tutorial, but let me be clear, use any cereal of your liking. Now, here's the deal, folks. This second step is easy. Get a bowl and spoon ready. Now, the third step is to prepare your ingredients. Your milk should be refrigerated and within the expiration date. Otherwise, you're going to have a rough time, Jack. Now, remember in the second step when you prepared your bowl and spoon? Now you can proceed to open the cereal box and pour your serving into the bowl. The final step is to pour the perfect amount of milk into the bowl. No malarkey. The most important part of the recipe is that step 5 is always performed before step 6. Now that's no joke, folks. And just like that, my fellow Americans, you've built back better your own breakfast nutrition for the day in 6 quick and easy steps.